whenever somebody goes to like an event and they only go just to eat food and then leave, we don't really have a word for that. That's just you're greedy. You're a big back. Your back's big.
We just say, Livy is a nyamangoe.
Nyamangoe.
Yeah, she's a real nyamangoe.
Oh, she's a real nyamangoe. Huh? She
Not
do
goe.
go.
One goe is fine.
And goe. And go away. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, nyamangoe.
Nyamangoe.
Mm-hmm.
Eat and get on. That's what that means.
Yeah.
I feel that. Oh, if somebody's having a tantrum, like you're pitching a fit or you're having a hissy fit. Quit pitching that fit. You're having a hissy fit.
Stop off temper.
Stop. Top.
Yeah, top off temper.
Stop off temper. That's what. Okay, no, that wasn't it.
Top off temper.
Simba.
Yo,
You Jesus. Okay.
temper or tizik.
Tizik.
Yeah.
Like physique, but
Like,
like a tizzy.
yeah, like, yeah.